You can size your duct one of two ways. One, you can let Revit do it, or you can simply do it yourself. This time, let's see how Revit sizes duct. To allow Revit to automatically size duct, we must first chop the duct up approximately where we want it to reduce or increase in size based on the calculated airflow going through that specific duct. Once we chop, or I should say split, the duct, we can then run an airflow analysis and allow Revit to size it for us. In the mechanical category, let's go to Ceiling Plans, One Ceiling Mech. Let's zoom in on our ductwork. And what I want to do is I want to create a split here, here, and then here. If you go to the Modify tab, you can click the Split button. Or if you'll notice, when I hover over the split element icon, you'll see that in parentheses it says SL. You can also type SL, and that'll be the keyboard shortcut to split element. Once you start the command, you'll see an X-Acto knife. I'm going to pick a point right between these branch ducts, and a point right about here. Then I'm going to hit Escape a couple times. I'm going to hover my cursor over this diffuser. I'm going to hit my Tab key 3 times until the entire 2 systems are lit up. Once I see these systems lit up, I'm going to pick that piece of duct. My next step is on the Analysis tab, I'm going to click Duct Pipe Sizing. I'm going to allow my sizing method to stay with velocity at 1000 FPM. I'm going to click OK. Revit will size my duct, but it's not giving me an error based on this piece of duct right here. That's okay, we can just eliminate it. Close out of your warning. Let's go to a 3D view. I'm going to pan around, and I'm going to zoom in on this piece of duct right here. I'm going to select this branch, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to select my 2 fittings and delete them. Now I'm going to select this elbow. If you notice when you select an item in Revit and hold down your Shift and your wheel button, and we pan around, Revit's going to keep its focus right on that item. I'm going to pan around until I see this little minus sign right here, then I'm going to pick it. Revit will just return that duct down to our diffuser. Allowing Revit to size your duct can be a very powerful tool. However, make sure you're happy with the results before proceeding with another step.